All right, so it begins. Taking out this junk that is obsolete, which is this passport escort crappy old system in here. And now I just gotta figure out this wiring to pull it through. You know what? This is not factory, that is for sure. This is going inside the car. You know what it is though? I don't want to pull on anything that who knows how these guys attached it. But I would definitely say from my Audi experience that that is not factory and it should be connected to this part. So yeah, I just gotta, let's see. Yeah, look. Yep. Maybe I'll just cut it from there and cut it from here rather than destroying something that I shouldn't. So there you go. The goal is to get something done every day, and that's what the project's really about, you know. Little things. Now I'm just gonna clean up the grill a little bit. You know what? The fake chrome was a little dirty, so I may ultimately replace this because this dummy, whoever owned it quite some time ago, had cut this thing in. Or to replace this one with the yellow fog light. And you know what? I don't go with the cheap stuff, I go with the good stuff. So now I just got to do the other side, but I figure, you know what, let me just fix up the grill, make it look better. I wouldn't mind polishing up these. That's probably most likely aluminum in there. Polishing those up. Let me get this leaf out of here too. And making that look a little bit better. You know, I actually have some Mother's aluminum polish coming. Clean in there too. It's a little dirty. Yeah, but just kind of nitpicking. Got to do the grills. Ultimately, I will take back out the grills and then Cerakote them with back to black. But I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to put them down on like cardboard and get them really brand new looking again. Headlights too. But like I said, every day, do a little bit more.